The world of photography is abuzz with excitement as industry rumors about Nikon's upcoming APS-C mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z90, continue to gain traction. Although Nikon has yet to make an official announcement, leaks and insider sources suggest that the company is preparing to launch a groundbreaking successor to one of its most iconic DSLRs, the Nikon D500. Expected to hit the market in late 2025, the Z90 promises to redefine expectations for crop sensor cameras, bringing high-end features to a more compact, mirrorless platform. For photographers and videographers alike, the Z90 is shaping up to be a dream come true, a camera that offers professional-grade performance in a portable, user-friendly package. With the potential to bridge the gap between Nikon's flagship models and the more accessible APS-C segment, the Z90 is poised to make waves in the photography world and change the way creators approach their craft. When it was released, the Nikon D500 quickly earned a reputation as one of the best APS-C DSLRs on the market. Its remarkable performance, particularly in wildlife, sports, and action photography, earned it a loyal following. Photographers praised its superb autofocus system, rapid burst rates, and ability to capture fast-moving subjects with precision. For many, the D500 was the go-to camera for demanding environments, capable of withstanding the rigors of professional use. Now, the Z90 is expected to build upon the D500's legacy, introducing the next generation of technology and performance in a mirrorless body. While the D500 was a DSLR that appealed primarily to enthusiast and professional photographers, the Nikon Z90 is expected to offer a more modern design, with the added benefits of mirrorless technology, making it more compact, lighter, and quieter. But at its core, the Z90 will likely maintain the same level of performance that made the D500 a favorite, while offering new features that cater to the evolving demands of modern creators. At the heart of the Nikon Z90, a 33.4-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor is rumored to offer exceptional image quality with remarkable clarity and detail. For comparison, this resolution is on par with some of the best APS-C sensors in the market, allowing photographers to capture stunningly detailed images in a variety of lighting conditions. What sets the Z90 apart, however, is its combination of a high-resolution sensor